Something we have missed. Learn from ourselves, look beyond. So much more than this. And I don't need to see it to believe it. I don't need to see it to believe it, 'cause I can't shake this fire burning deep inside my heart. Hey! Look to the skies, hope arise, see His majesty revealed. More than this life, there is love, there is hope, and it's real. And I don't need to see it to believe it. I don't need to see it to believe it, 'cause I can't shake this fire burning deep inside my heart. Yeah, it's life. It's yours and yours. It's rising as you glory fills my heart. Your love so down. Lose the world. Oh, creation will come back to you. It's more for you. Your name is glorious, glorious. Your love is changing us, calling us to worship. Spirit and truth, it's all creation returns to you. For all your sons and daughters who are walking in the darkness, you are calling us to lead them back to you. Would you sing it out tonight? For all your sons and daughters who are walking in the darkness, you are calling us to lead them back to you. We will see Spirit rising as the lost come out of hiding. And every heart will see this hope we found in death. 'Cause your name is glorious, glorious. Your love is changing us, calling us to worship. Spirit and truth is all creation returns to you. Would you lift your hands tonight and sing that? Just tell Him His name is glorious. Come on, scream it out. Your name is glorious, glorious love. Changing us to worship. As all creation returns. This is how you break through. Would you lift your hands and sing it again? Come on, your name. Your name is glorious. Your love is Jesus, changing us, calling us to is all creation returns to you. Give the Lord a shout of praise tonight.